Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Chromecast and selecting the TV's HDMI input. That gets the device broadcasting. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi you intend to use and that you know the network password. If your TV's USB port can't provide stable power, plug the Chromecast into the included wall adapter. Once the device screen shows a setup code, you're ready to open the Google Home app on your controller device and proceed. Open the Google Home app and choose Add, then set up device for new Chromecast. The app scans and should show the device name. Confirm the setup code shown on the TV matches what the app displays so you avoid pairing the wrong unit. Grant location and local network permissions when asked, because those let the app find and configure the Chromecast. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Let any automatic firmware updates complete before casting to ensure stability. Finish by testing casting. Open YouTube or Chrome, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast to verify video and audio. If the image or sound needs adjusting, open the device's settings in Google Home to change display or audio options and set a useful device name. If you can't connect, reboot your router and the Chromecast, try a different power source, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. These steps clear stale network info and often resolve persistent pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.